Hello guys, I am Vaishali Kekan and we are discussing digital circuit. Today in this video we are going to see how NAND gate can be acting as a universal gate. We are going to see how we can make all of the other gates with the help of NAND gate. How I can make NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate using the NAND gate. So we are going to see these 6 type of gates fabrication using the NAND gate. If you have NAND gate, you can make any other type of gate, right? Or simply I can say you can make any type of digital circuit using the NAND gate, right? So now first of all, the basic type of gate is the NOT gate. It is the simplest type of gate, right? So NOT gate is having one input and one output, right? So input is A and the output is A bar, right? So now the NAND gate is used, right? So let's suppose this is my NAND gate, right? So here we will be having two input A and B, right? This is my NAND gate. The output is A, B bar. So what I have to find out, I have to find out the output as A bar. What I am going to do, I am going to short the two inputs, right? I am going to short the two inputs, combine the two inputs and I am going to get the input as A, because only one input is present in the NOT gate, right? Here what I have done, I have taken the input as A, I have clubbed it and I have supplied it over here. What will happen? The output of the NAND gate is AB bar. The input over here is A, the input over here is A. So the output over here will be A into A bar. A into A is A only, which is A bar. So this is how simply we can use the NAND gate as a NOT gate, right? Now we are going to talk about the AND gate. What is the AND output? So for AND output we have two inputs A and B. We are going to take a AND gate and the output will be AB. With the help of NAND gate, which output I am getting? AB bar. This is the output I am getting with the NAND gate. So what I am going to do, I am going to take a NAND gate, right? And output is A, B whole bar if the two inputs are A and B. Right, what I am going to do, I am going to invert this output with the help of inverter. I am going to get AB. Now I know how I can make the inverter using the NAND gate. So, right, what I am going to do, I am going to take A and B over here. I am going to supply it to the NAND gate. I am going to get the output AB bar. Now this AB bar I am sending to the two inputs of the NAND gate, right? So I will get over here AB bar bar, which is output is AB. So this is how the NAND gate can be acting like a AND gate, right? After that, coming to the OR gate. How the NAND gate is acting like a OR gate, right? So that we are going to see. So what is the OR gate? OR gate is A plus B. This should be the output is equal to Y, right? What is the output of the NAND gate? If I have two inputs, the output of the NAND gate over here is A, B bar. So now here we have to use the NAND gates and we have to find out A plus B. So now here if I take A bar and B bar and if I multiply both of them, right, and if I take the invert of both of them, so let's see what will happen to this. So if I have A bar, B bar and whole invert, so now why I have taken this, I can take double invert of this. So I will tell you first this and then I will take the double complement of this. I am going to show you how we can make the OR gate. So this is the AND operation, right? So if I take the A and if I take the B, so if I multiply them, this is the AND operation. If I take A bar and B bar, so A bar into B bar whole complement, this is the NAND operation. So here what I have a NAND gate. Over here we have A bar input and the B bar input, right? So now A bar, B bar, whole bar. What is happening over here? De Morgan's law is applied. So it is A bar bar plus B bar bar, which is A plus B, right? I can take it alternatively also. The output of I have to get is A plus B, right? What I am going to do, I am going to take two complements of it. So A plus B bar can be represented as A bar, B bar, whole bar. Right? So this is how I can find out. So A plus B whole bar is A bar into B bar. That is the De Morgan's law. A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar from the De Morgan's law. And here if I have one more complement, I will have one more complement over here. So I will get this. Right? So now over here we have to get the output like this. If I have two inputs as A bar and B bar, the output of the NAND gate will be A plus B. Two input is A bar and B bar. The NAND gate output is equal to A plus B. Right? So now for A bar, we have to use an inverter I had made. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make an inverter using the A. So this is A, here I will get A bar. Right? So again I'm going to use an inverter. So this is again an inverter. So here I'm going to get B bar when I'm supplying the input over here as B. Right? So now what will happen? I will supply over here one NAND gate. So here what I'm going to get? A bar, B bar, whole bar. So which is equal to, I have simplified it, A bar, B bar, whole bar is equal to A plus B, and thus I have formed a OR gate with the help of the NAND gates. This is a NAND gate, NAND gate, NAND gate. With the help of the three NAND gates, I have formed an OR gate. Right? Next is the NOR gate. Right? If I have the OR gate, NOR gate is the OR gate plus the inverter. So if I have two input, NOR output is A plus B whole bar. So from here with the help of this structure I got A plus B. I want A plus B whole bar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this structure, then I will use an inverter. Right? So let's make it. Over here I have the OR gate. So OR gate over here is, this is A, I will get A bar over here. This is B, I will get B bar over here. Right? So now after that I am sending these two to the NAND gate again. So here I will get A plus B. Right? Now I want A plus B bar. So I am going to use again a NAND gate as an inverter. So this is my output, A plus B whole bar. Right? So this is how I can use the NAND gates and I can make a inverter. Right? So in the XOR gate I have to use the NAND gates only. What is the XOR output? A XOR B can be written as A bar B plus A B bar. Right? So now I am going to make a structure and then I will show you how the structure will be A bar B plus A B bar. So first of all I need A bar. For A bar I am going to use an inverter. This is an inverter, right? With the help of NAND gate I will be having an inverter. So now this is the inverter of A, right? So this here I will get A bar. Right? Now here again I am going to use a NAND gate. Right? So here I will take the input from the B. So here I will get A bar into B, A bar into B whole bar. Right? So now again I am going to take a NAND gate. Right? And here I am going to take A B bar. So this is A is transmitted over here, and for B bar I have to take a NOT gate. So this is a NOT gate. Using the NAND gate I have taken a B bar over here. So this is my A, this is my B bar. What I am going to get over here, this is my A B bar whole bar. Right? Again I am going to use a NAND gate. So this is a NAND gate. I will get the output from here. The output is Y. So let's see how the Y output will be equal to A bar B plus AB bar. So Y output, what it is? It is the NAND operation of A bar B bar and A B bar bar. So what is the NAND operation? The multiplication of the two terms. So here A bar B bar is multiplied with A B bar bar and then the complement of the term. So this is multiplied with this and the output is complemented. This is my y. So let's now simplify it. So here we will simplify it. So now De Morgan's theorem is applied and now it is A. Here I am applying the De Morgan's theorem. So De Morgan's theorem when applied, it is A bar bar plus B bar, right? And here I will be having A bar plus B bar bar whole bar, right? So now A bar bar will be equal to A only. So it is A plus B bar, and here A bar, B bar bar is equal to B whole complement, right? So now again I am going to open this up with the help of De Morgan's law. Now applying the De Morgan's theorem over here, we will be getting A plus B bar whole bar plus A bar plus B whole bar, right? So now again we will apply the De Morgan's theorem over here. So it will be represented as, this is addition. When I apply the De Morgan's, it will be converted into multiplication. So A bar into B bar bar plus A bar bar into B bar. A bar into B bar bar will be equal to B plus A bar bar is equal to A and B bar is over here. So this is my A bar B plus AB bar, which is my XOR operation. Coming to the last gate, which is my XNOR gate. Right, XNOR gate is actually the complement of the XOR gate. So here if I have two inputs and if I take XOR gate and if I supply the output to the inverter, I will get the XNOR gate. So right, this is the representation of the XNOR gate. Now I know what is the XOR gate, and the output if I supply with the help of an inverter, I will get the XNOR output. Right, so let's make it. Over here we have the A input. A input is supplied with the help of an inverter. Right, here I will be getting A bar. It is supplied to a NAND gate. Right, so over here I will be having B. Right, now this NAND gate will be getting me A bar B whole bar. Now here I will take A from here and I will supply it to another NAND gate. Right, I will take B also from here. I will supply it to the NOT gate formed with the NAND gate, and then here I will get what I am going to get over here. I have taken the B complement and A over here. So I will get over here A B bar whole bar. Right. So now I am going to take another NAND gate. So this is a NAND gate over here I have taken, and here I will get Y. Y is A XOR B. A XOR B we have found out. Now I am going to take inverter. Right. And here I will get A XNOR B. I gave you this identity. A XNOR B is equal to A XOR B complement. Right, again I am going to prove it. So A XOR B is A bar B plus A B bar whole complement. So I can use the De Morgan's theorem. So this is the representation. If I use the De Morgan's theorem, it will be represented as A bar B complement multiplied with A B bar complement. Again I am going to use the De Morgan's law over here. It is A bar bar plus B bar multiplied with A bar plus B bar bar. Right. So A bar bar over here is A plus B bar. Here we have A bar plus B bar bar is B. So now let's multiply it. We will be getting A bar plus A B plus A bar B bar plus BB bar. A bar and BB bar are 0. We are going to get AB plus A bar B bar. So AB plus A bar B bar is A XNOR B. Right. So this is how we will get the XNOR operation, and thus we have represented all of the gates using the NAND gate. So I hope you understood how we can use the NAND gate as a universal gate. If you have any doubt, you can put the doubt in the comment section and I will try to resolve your doubt as soon as possible. I hope you like this session. If you like it, please push the like button, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends and also give me your feedback. Thank you so much.